Now Dr. Khushbu Rafiq from Sindh Madrasatul Islam University will present Ajrak, a tradition of our province Sindh, to the guests. Professor Dr. Asghar Ali Kashfi, sir, please. Ajrak will present to Professor Dr. Asghar Ali Kashfi. I request Professor Dr. Arkantas Zartowski. I request Professor Dr. Haq Shigrowski, Director University of Guidance and Research. Arif. Thank you, sir. I request Professor Dr. Khushbu Shija. Thank you. Professor Dr. Wilgo, Vice Rector. I request Professor Dr. Zarina Ali, please collect the sheet and object on behalf of Vice Chancellor of the University.
डायरेक्टर शील्ड क्या है शाहब? डायरेक्टर शील्ड क्या है? जर्सी जर्सी
I request Professor Dr. Faisal Javed, please come on board the stage and clear the stage. I request Professor Dr. Jasmine Shigrowski to deliver the sheet to Professor Javed. Now, thank you so much to all of you.